y'all, look at the wind blowing the palm trees. Today's the day. Today's the day to fly a kite. Let's do it. Here we go. Oh yeah. Ready to go. Yeah. It is. It's up there, huh? Yeah. That's nice. Want to fly for a while? Sure. How does it feel?
It definitely feels like you're gonna fly away.
Woo! Woo! What's happening? Oh no! Crashed in the neighbor's yard. Hold on. Hopefully we didn't sustain any damages. Check out the palm trees over here. Looking fabulous. Fabulous, fabulous. Babu! Oh yes, you all look fantastic. But right now I can't talk to you because I have to go find the kite. Don't see it yet. Oh, of course it's in a tree. Right there. That's perfect. Okay. Let's see if I can get that. Why do kites always go in trees? Why does it go in a tree? Why couldn't it just have landed on the ground? Oh, spiders, web. Ugh. Gross. Okay, you might have to run a little bit. Reel in some string. We're back up, folks. We got it out of the tree. No more going that high, though, because I just realized the power lines are relatively close. Let's go back this way. There it goes. That's good. Keep it over the top. Thanks for stopping by Arizona Homestead today. We had so much fun out there flying that kite on such a windy day. We hope you enjoyed this episode with us, and if so, please give us a thumbs up. And as always, my friends, be happy, be well, and be blessed. Until next time, bye-bye. Don't forget, let that kid out.